Welcome, my name is Nick, and this is To The Frickin' Point Friday, and today we are getting to the frickin' point about how to use the touchscreen autofocus for the new Sony A7R III for video. Alright, pop open the menu and select the second tab on the top and the 2 of 9 sub-menu in that tab. Click into the AF drive speed and select slow. Then click into the AF track sense and select responsive. Then click into the auto slow shut and turn that off. Now jump over to the first menu tab and sub-menu 5 of 14 and select focus mode and set that to continuous AF. Jump down to focus area and select flex spot M for medium. Now jump over to the little briefcase icon on the top menu and into the sub-menu 2 of 7, go down to touch operation and turn that shit on. Now make sure you're in movie mode on the top dial and let's get shooting. Now all you have to do is tap the back of your screen and that little box is gonna jump over and pull focus for you. You can go back into your menu and adjust your settings for the speed and if it's responsive or standard. I'd recommend playing around with these settings and figuring out what you like best in terms of the configuration. I really like it when it's in responsive, and so far I've liked slow and normal. Sometimes fast works well, but it's really what you wanna do and how you like it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give that thumbs up a clickety clackety. If you aren't yet subscribed, please do so below. It is free. I'm posting videos every week, and I am looking forward to seeing all of your lovely faces in the next episode. Peace.